Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Magic Rack Pool is probably one of the most innovative and essential accessories for any serious pool player looking to elevate their game and impress their friends with lightning-fast rack setups, ensuring every shot starts with perfect precision and a visually stunning presentation that transforms the traditional racking experience into something truly magical. Number 5. US Pool Supply Pool Equipment Storage Rack. Is your pool area cluttered with cleaning tools and accessories? Keep everything organized and easily accessible with our innovative storage solution. This heavy-duty rack is designed to hold all your pool cleaning essentials. It features brackets for multiple accessories, mounts for poles, and a strap for your vacuum hose. Keep your skimmer nets, brushes, vacuum heads, hoses, and poles all in one place. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to easy pool maintenance. Mounting this organizer is a breeze with the included screws. It securely attaches to various surfaces like fences, walls, and posts. Our rack provides strong and stiff holders, ensuring your pool equipment stays securely in place. Enjoy peace of mind knowing everything is organized and supported. From US Pool Supply, we offer professional, high-quality, and affordable accessories to help you maintain your pool effortlessly. What we like. This organizer is built to last and can hold all your pool cleaning tools. If you have a lot of pool accessories and want to keep them tidy and accessible, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for anyone who wants a robust and practical way to manage their pool maintenance gear. What people say. The products are sturdy and are well built. It fits everything I need to hold. I absolutely love the grip strength on the side for the pole. It was easy to put up and sturdy. Great item for the money. This is a nice tool hanger for your pool and holds up to 3 poles. The plastic seems to be of good quality and should last a long time even in the hot sun. Number 4. ISZY Billiards Pool Stick Rack, Black Wood Floor Stand. Tired of clutter? Keep your billiards accessories neatly organized and always within reach. This rack is designed to hold up to 10 pool sticks and a full set of balls. Enjoy your game without worry. It features a convenient built-in drink holder, ensuring your beverage stays safe and secure, away from your pool table. Measuring 31 by 29.5 by 9 inches, this rack is designed to hold all your essential pool cue accessories. Its slender profile fits perfectly against any wall. Setting up your new accessory holder is a breeze. It's easy to assemble and available in several finishes to match your game room decor. We stand behind our quality billiards equipment. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This cue rack offers a touch of elegance to your game room while keeping your equipment organized. If you're looking for a stylish way to store your cues and balls, and appreciate the convenience of a built-in drink holder, this is the one for you. It's perfect for the discerning player who values both form and function. What people say. Super easy to put together and looks really nice. Once the supports are attached, just reassemble the bottom and it will spin perfectly. It holds 10 sticks, which is very nice, and I didn't drill any holes in the wall, which is also a plus. Because it's freestanding, I can also move it around if I need to, whereas a wall mount rack is a pain if you decide to relocate. It also has hooks for both 8-ball and 9-ball racks, so they're not just laying around somewhere. It is made of legit nice wood. It holds a lot of pool cues very well. It holds my extra set of pool balls in the top shelf groves, one of my racks on the included hook, and my pool table brush I put on the bottom shelf. I love that it fits perfectly in the corner, so not in the way when I play. Number 3. TIHOOD 6 PCS Magic Ball Rack. Introducing the TIHOOD Magic Ball Rack, an essential accessory for any billiards enthusiast. This pack includes 6 durable racks designed for perfect ball placement. Crafted from high-quality PET plastic, these racks are built to last. Their lightweight design ensures easy handling and storage. Ensure every shot starts perfectly with these racks. They guarantee precise ball positioning, saving you time and protecting your tablecloth. Ideal for both professional billiards halls and home use. They are perfectly suited for 57mm number 9 and 10 ball games, as well as snooker. Each package contains 6 magic ball racks, providing excellent value. Get ready to elevate your game with consistent and reliable ball setup. What we like. These racks are designed for speed and efficiency in setting up your billiard games. If you frequently play 8, 9, or 10 ball and want to ensure a perfect rack every time with minimal fuss, these are a great choice. They are ideal for both casual players and those in busy billiard halls. What people say. Made from a durable and flexible plastic material, they lay flat on the table and offer a perfectly tight rack every time. The performance of the Magic racks is unmatched. Whether you're playing 8 ball, 9 ball, or 10 ball, these racks provide uniformity and precision that traditional racks often fail to deliver. The rack sits well flat on the table without any unevenness. I've shot a few hundred racks and I have a pretty decent break stroke that is quite strong. The rack has developed somewhere lines along the sides and still achieves a perfect setup every time. Number 2. Accu-Rack Outsville Billiards Template Set. Introducing the Accu-Rack Outsville Billiards Template Set, the number 1 ball rack template on the market. It's designed to deliver a perfectly tight rack every time. Achieve a flawless setup for your games. This template ensures your balls are perfectly aligned for optimal play. This comprehensive set includes the Solo, Diamond 9, and Pro 10 templates. You'll have the right tool for any game variation. Utilizing proprietary geometry and advanced materials, these templates are engineered to perform where others fail. Experience the difference in your game. Designed for convenience, they come flat packaged without a tube for easy storage and transport. Built to last, they offer reliable performance. What we like. This set offers advanced technology for the most precise ball racks possible. If you are a serious player who demands absolute perfection in every rack, you should consider this. It's designed for those who appreciate the subtle but significant difference a perfectly tight rack makes to the game. What people say. The material also grips the tablecloth much better than other rack templates. It doesn't slip and move much when breaking. This is a great rack set made out of a thin but durable material that lays nice on the table and doesn't crease like the plastic sets. It freezes balls together. It does so well. It creates a perfect rack every time. It honestly adds such a great consistency to my breaks. This rack leaves no gaps. None. Number 1. Pool Magic Ball Rack 6-Pack. Tired of struggling to set up your billiard balls? This rack ensures perfect placement every time, saving you valuable setup time. Say goodbye to accidental tears and wear on your billiard tablecloth. This accessory helps reduce loss and damage to your table. Whether you're in a busy billiards hall or enjoying a game at home, this rack is designed for your convenience. It's suitable for both professional and individual use. Specifically engineered for 57mm number 9 and 10 balls, it guarantees a precise and consistent rack. Achieve the perfect spread for your game. Upgrade your billiard experience with this essential accessory. It's the simple solution for faster, more accurate ball racking. What we like. These holders are all about getting your game started quickly and flawlessly. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to rack your balls for 8, 9, or 10 ball games and want to save time and protect your tablecloth, this pack is a solid option. It's great for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use ball rack. What people say. Works well with both 9 and 10 ball. These are lightweight, but so very effective if you want to rack pools balls and not use up space for a regular-sized rack. Awesome product, can't believe how tight the balls stay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.